Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install Nexter Gutenberg blocks in WordPress. This is a fantastic plugin that expands your design options and gives you access to powerful block elements for building more dynamic and visually appealing pages. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Simply open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress site's admin area. This is typically found by adding /wp-admin to the end of your website URL. Enter your username and password to access the back end of your site where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From here, navigate to Plugins and hover over it. A submenu will appear with several options. Click on Add Plugin, which is usually labeled as Add New in some WordPress versions. This section is where you can browse, search for, and install new plugins to enhance your website's functionality. Now that you're on the plugin installation page, you'll notice a search bar in the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll type in the name of the plugin you're looking for. Go ahead and search for Nexter Gutenberg blocks. As you type, WordPress will automatically start displaying matching results below the search bar, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Once the search results populate, look for the Nexter Gutenberg blocks plugin in the list. You'll recognize it by its name and logo. When you've found it, click the Install Now button that appears on the plugin card. WordPress will then download and install the plugin directly to your site. This process usually takes just a few seconds, so you won't have to wait long. After the installation is complete, the Install Now button will automatically change to an Activate button. This is an important step because installing the plugin alone doesn't make it functional on your site. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the Nexter Gutenberg blocks plugin. Once activated, the plugin will integrate seamlessly with your WordPress block editor, giving you access to all its features and design elements. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and activated Nexter Gutenberg blocks in WordPress, and now you're ready to explore all the creative possibilities this plugin offers for your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.